intimidating, reflecting the glare coming from the water. With the wide black border over its gaze, there's a broad gold dagger like opening, it could spear right through me. Let's go down the Simrose Cape, that's ash-shaped. I see blue-gray from a distance. Going down is rusty, long and slow. Make one's way across, applying very little pressure through the shallow water. Across salt marsh mud, defying gravity, webbing underneath. No sinking, no chance of getting stuck. The fish, amphibians, insects, and other small animals isn't fear. It can be swallowed in one gulp, motionless, standing statue-like. Significant melancholy harmony. Necessary. August development season, create more to keep the legacy going. It can get territorial, curling into a tight S shape while soaring. Flee from unpleasant environments, landing in an open field, quickly adapting with the desire to trail in pursuit of an angle. So patient and quiet, a crafty recluse, symbolizing good luck. Most active at dusk, only focused on the main goal. What's next to hunt? Maybe end the day high up, being safe is a must. Significant